Hello, Mr. Clark. I'm in food. Today I'll be explaining quiz 7, question 1. First thing I did was assign 120 to temp and then 0 to time. This is the starting temperature and this is the starting time. And then I have my two print statements, which is temperature and then time and then some dashed lines to make it look nice. Then I have my while statement, and I had these two print before the while because I did not want to repeat. And then my while is while temp is not equal to 112, it will print out the temperature and then have some space between it and then time. And then it will update temperature by subtracting 1 to it, and then it will update time by plussing 1 to it, and then it'll keep doing that until temperature is equal to 120. And then this right here, I have it outside the while loop, so it prints out the last value, which is the 112 because this is not equal to. So it will do it up into 111, and this one, the final one that prints out the 112 one. And then if I click run, we see that it works. This temp minus equals to 1 is right here where it's subtracting the temperature by 1 every time. And then the plus 1 is adding plus 1 to the time every time. And then this print right here is this final one because this while loop only goes up to the 113.